Welcome back to the next episode of the Vegan Spin-Off Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a vegan version of something that I love. It's my standard breakfast, eggs. Now, step one, we're going to prepare the batter, right? I've taken around 50 grams of chickpea flour because this has that eggy flavor. I'll show you how. And to this, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of this vegetable broth. Step two, we're going to add finely chopped onions, a dash of turmeric for the vibrant color, some smoked paprika, basically mirchi for that extra kick, and then some minced garlic for that irresistible flavor. Okay, step 3, here's where I want you to add a little bit of kala namak because this gives our scrambled eggs that authentic eggy flavor without obviously using actual eggs. I want you to let the batter rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, once you've kept it aside for like 10 to 15 minutes, I want you to fire up the skillet. Step 4, we're going to heat up some butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Step 5, pour half the batter once the butter is nice and hot, and there you have it. Our vegan scrambled eggs are ready to be served. Feel free to get creative with your toppings, right? Now, whether it's just a sprinkle of olive oil or you want to add like some vegan cheese or a dollop of salsa, the possibilities are endless. I'm adding some chives, some sesame seeds, and some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to wrap it up either with some lettuce or most often I'm going to have it with a sourdough bread on the side.